Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my Facebook page. Have you ever combined okra with banga together? So here we are today. Carry chair and let's dive into this video. Make I show you how I take the prepare. I don't wash all my meat. I don't put them for pot. Add my salted meat, my okporoko, my snail and my ingredient. I don't put them for inside pot, so it go parboil a little bit before I go add my warm water so that all the ingredients go penetrate enter inside the meat. So I consider I give am small turn around. Remember guys, I am not teaching you how to cook. I just dey tell you the way I take dey prepared my food. Now here na my praise palm cream. I go dey pour am for inside this bowl before I go add my hot water. The reason why they do am like this be say in the bottom of this can you go see say sand dey inside, because the process wey they take dey process this banga, my people, if we reason am, we no go dey eat banga, so we just have to be careful when we are preparing it. So I don't pour am for bowl. I will try mix am so that it will combine before I go pour am for inside my meat. So I don't pour am for inside the meat. My meat don't parboil. See the result. You see sand in the bottom of this bowl. This is the reason why the fed they do one like this. Now I don't add my blended pepper, my blended crayfish. I don't add my Maggi cube. Now one I put because I don't fair put one at the time when they boil am. I don't add my dry fish and crayfish. I know they too like fresh fish. Fresh fish not be my thing. Even if I want to use a fresh fish, I will have to dry it before I use them. I feel even cook without fish, but I just have to put fish. So here now my dry fish. I don't add that because I might give a small turn around before I will cover them. So I don't cover am, I'm going to leave am maybe parboil a little bit before I go add my okra. Here comes my okra. I am tired of eating ogbolo, egusi, spinach and all that. So it don't take when I prepare this soup rich. I just okay, my still prepare am today. I say I do this video, my take show my beautiful people say another soup still the way you fit still prepare aside of ogbolo and egusi and vegetable soup. Me, I dey like okra very well. I like okra na my best soup. Okay, so I don't add all my dry fish. As you can see, everything don't dey inside. Remember, like I said before, I know they teach you how to cook. I dey show you how I take prepared my food. So the soup done ready. I go to prepare my swallow behind the camera. I know they eat pando na rice flour now they eat because of the fat. Okay, our rice flour done ready. Sorry. So here comes our soup. Guys, just give this recipe a try and you will like it, you will love it. Leave your comment down below. Let me see what you think about this recipe. Try them, you go like and you go thank me later. Not be every day you go to eat ogbolo, egusi and the spinach. Some people know they even eat spinach because that spinach is a vegetable. So I go to leave you guys now. I will see you all my next video. Please help me to share this video, like and leave your comment down below. Share. God bless you all. Bye.